Hello, everyone, and welcome back to the Alien English Show. I'm your teacher, Stella, and today something exciting is happening.
Hi, humans. Hi, Stella. I'm ready for today's mission. Wait, you said school?
Yes, Blip. Today you're going to school for the first time.
Oh, no. Do I need to bring homework?
Not yet, Blip. Just bring your curiosity and your big alien brain.
Okay, my brain is ready and a little nervous.
Don't worry, you'll love it. Let's go to school. Here we are, the school.
Wow, so many humans. They're small and loud.
Those are students, Blip. They come here every day to learn new things, just like you.
Do they learn English too?
Yes, English, math, science, history, art, and PE, physical education.
So school is like a brain gym.
That's one way to say it. Here is the classroom. Look, here's the teacher's desk, the blackboard, and the students' desks.
So this is where humans sit and learn?
Exactly. They read, write, listen, and speak. Let's learn some words. Repeat after me. Desk, book, pencil, chair, blackboard, bag.
Desk, book, pencil, chair, blackboard, bag. Wow, so many earth tools for learning.
That's right. And every student brings a school bag with their things.
Can my bag have rocket boosters?
Maybe not inside the classroom, Blip. Now, let's talk about what students study at school.
Okay, I'm ready.
We call each subject a class. For example, English, math, science, history, music, art, and PE, physical education.
So humans learn to move their bodies too?
Yes, in PE, they play sports and exercise.
My kind only exercises our minds. Maybe that's why we float.
That might be the reason. Blip, what subject do you think you would like the most?
Maybe science. I love experiments, especially the ones that go boom.
No explosions in class, please.
Okay, then maybe art. I could paint stars and galaxies.
That sounds beautiful. Art is a wonderful way to show what's in your mind.
Then art is my favorite subject.
At school, students have a daily routine. They come in the morning, study different subjects, and take breaks.
Breaks? Like snack time?
Exactly. There's a short morning break, lunchtime, and sometimes an afternoon break.
Yes, my favorite class, lunch.
I thought you'd say that.
What do humans eat at school?
Sandwiches, fruit, juice, sometimes pizza or pasta.
No cosmic noodles?
Maybe not yet, Blip. At school, you meet many people, classmates and teachers.
Classmates?
Yes, classmates are other students in your class. You study and learn together.
Oh, so they're like brain buddies.
Exactly. Brain buddies.
And teachers teach, right?
Right. There's usually one teacher for each subject.
So there's a math teacher, an art teacher, a music teacher?
Exactly.
Wow, I'd like to meet the music teacher. I can play the space harp.
That sounds amazing. Maybe you could teach the class. Let's talk about the school schedule, the plan for the day.
Okay.
Usually, students start school around 8 a.m. They have classes until lunch, then more classes until 3 p.m.
That's many hours. Do they have nap time?
Not usually, but some schools do for small children.
On my planet, we nap every 30 minutes.
That's a lot of naps, Blip. At school, students learn, practice, and sometimes take tests.
Tests? Like experiments?
Not science experiments. Tests are questions to see what you remember.
Oh, like how many moons does Mars have?
Exactly, but in English, math, or science.
I'm not sure I'd like tests. Do they give snacks if you do well?
Maybe a gold star or a smile from the teacher.
I'll take the smile.
Let's practice a little school conversation.
Okay, I'm ready, teacher.
What's your favorite subject?
My favorite subject is art. I love to draw galaxies. What's your favorite subject?
I love English. I love helping people learn to speak.
That's why you're the best teacher in the galaxy.
Thank you, Blip.
Can I ask another question?
Of course.
What happens after school?
After school, students go home, do homework, and rest.
Homework? So school never ends?
Don't worry, it's just practice. Let's review what we learned today. Repeat after me. School, teacher, student, classroom, desk, book, pencil, bag, blackboard, lunch, classmates, subjects, test, homework.
School, teacher, student, classroom, desk, book, pencil, bag, blackboard, lunch, classmates, subjects, test, homework. Homework. That one sounds suspicious.
Don't worry, you'll be fine. And that's all for today's episode. Blip goes to school.
School is fun, but a little busy. So many classes, so many humans.
You did great, Blip. You learned new words and practiced English.
Thank you, Stella. Can we talk about sports? I saw humans running everywhere at school.
That's a great idea, Blip. Maybe our next episode will be about sports.
Yes, I'll train my arms and maybe my tentacles.
Bye, everyone. See you next time on the Alien English Show.